Hello students, today we are going to solve the questions of exercise 1.6. First one is find 64 power 1 by 2. Okay, at first we will find the factors of 64 and you know that the factor of 64 in the terms of 2. So just in rough side you can get the factors of 64. It is 32 by 2, it is 16 by 2, it is 8 by 2, 4, 2, 2 and 2. So 2 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into 1 to the power 2. Cancel out 3 and the things is 2 to the power 3. It is 8. Okay. Similarly, you can do the other question. Just see question number 3rd of this 125 power 1 by 3. Third one of this 125 power 1 by 3. You know this is 125 is the cube of 5. So you can write like this 5 to the power 1 equal to 5. So question is very simple here. Question number 2. Let's see question number 2. First one is 9 power 3 by 2. 9 power 3 by 2. Similarly, it will be 3 to the power 2 into 3 by 2. 3 to the power 3 equal to 27. Same type of questions are here. Just take the fourth one 125 power minus 1 by 3. So 5 to the power 3 into minus 1 by 3. Now it is 5 to the power minus 1. You can write 1 by 5. You have seen all these type of rules in standard 8th and 7th also. Now see the question number 3. Simplify. In the questions of simplify, first one is 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 5. Look here, the rules is known to you. See here, the base is 2 and here the base is also 2. Sign of multiplication is there, so you know that formula a to the power m into a to the power n. Just formula equal to a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. This is the formula. You have seen all these formulas in standard 7th and 8th. So look here, it will be 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Now it is LCM is 15, 10 plus 3. So this is the answer. Next question, we are taking question number 3 here. 11 to the power 1 by 2 into upon 11 to the power 1 by 4. Sign of division is here. So the formula is, we know that a to the power m upon a to the power n equal to a to the power m minus n. Using this formula you can solve this. 11 1 upon by 2 minus 1 by 4. LCM is 4, 2 minus 1. So it is 11 to the power 1 by 4. Okay, last question. This is question number 4. 7 to the power 1 by 2 into 8 to the power 1 by 2. So the formula is a to the power m into b to the power m equal to ab power m. So therefore 7 into 8 and power will be 1 by 2. So 56 power 1 by 2. So in this way you can solve the questions. These questions are very simple. Thank you.